Welcome to Richard Chinese language. Today, I'm going to talk about one sentence pattern that is 与其不如与其不如与其 means if it's like this. 不如 means why not say it's like that. And if you want to offer a better choice or a better option, you can use this kind of sentence pattern. In English, it means it's better to verb 1 than to verb 2. But in Chinese, the sequence is a little bit different. We say 与其 verb 2, 不如 verb 1. So please pay attention to the sequence of this sentence pattern. I'll give you one example sentence. 与其吃药，不如多喝点水。与其吃药，不如多喝点水。与其吃药，不如多喝点水。It's better to drink more water than to take medicine. And in Chinese, we say 吃药 first. Then we say 多喝点水. And in this kind of sentence pattern, once again, we are suggesting someone drinking more water. Okay, so you are offering a better choice for someone. And let me give you another example sentence. 与其在家睡觉，不如出去散步。与其在家睡觉，不如出去散步。与其在家睡觉，不如出去散步。It's better to go out for a walk than to sleep at home. And here, once again, you are suggesting a better choice for someone. First of all, pay attention to the sequence of the options. In Chinese, we say 在家睡觉 first. Then we say 出去散步. In this kind of sentence pattern, you are suggesting someone going out for a walk. You are offering a better choice. Okay, one more example sentence. 与其诅咒黑暗，不如点亮蜡烛。与其诅咒黑暗，不如点亮蜡烛。与其诅咒黑暗，不如点亮蜡烛。It's better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. And in Chinese, we say 诅咒黑暗 first. Then we say 点亮蜡烛. Once again, you are offering a better choice. You are suggesting someone lighting a candle. And maybe don't curse the darkness. So, 与其不如 is a kind of sentence pattern to offer someone a better choice. Okay, let's do some quizzes, and I hope you can practice saying this sentence pattern by yourself. Okay, so let's do it right now. Number 1. 生气当面问他 Okay, I hope you read this sentence pattern by yourself. 生气当面问他 Very good. 与其生气不如当面问他 It's better to ask him face to face than to get angry. So you're suggesting people asking this person face to face. Okay, number 2. 抱怨坐下来讨论 Okay, I hope you read this sentence pattern by yourself. 抱怨坐下来讨论 Very good. 与其抱怨不如坐下来讨论 It's better to sit down and talk about it than to complain. Okay, you are suggesting people sitting down and talking about it in this sentence pattern. Okay, so my friends, this is a very important sentence pattern in Chinese because we use it a lot in our daily life. So please practice it more, and I hope you like today's lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. 下次见。